Hey guys, my name is Nick, and now we're going to talk about animals. Let's start with the lion. I really like lions. The lion is brown. The lion lives in the zoo. The lion eats meat. The bear eats meat too. But I don't like the bear. The bear lives in the wood. The bear is also brown. The bear doesn't like the lion. Okay, let's see what other animals we have. We have a dog. I love dogs. The dog is white. The dog lives in my house. The dog lives in the city. Who else lives in the city? The rabbit. I like the rabbit. The rabbit lives in the city. The rabbit lives in the city with the dog. The rabbit eats grass. The horse also eats grass. The horse is also brown. The horse lives in the farm. Okay, let's see what other animals we have. Look at this. I like parrots. This parrot is yellow. What does the parrot eat? The parrot eats fruits. Okay, let's see. What other animals do we have? What is this? It's a frog, of course. I don't like frogs because frogs are green. Frogs live near the lake, and frogs eat bugs. I don't like bugs. Which animal do you like, and which animal do you not like?